29th is World Heart Day, and it's a time to know how to prevent a heart attack. 9 preventable risk factors are responsible for 90% of heart attacks. And in order of importance, they are LDL-HDL ratio. And we know LDL-HDL ratio is more for those who eat trans fat, smoking, uncontrolled diabetes, uncontrolled blood pressure, abdominal obesity, psychologically or stress, uncontrolled stress, failure to eat fruits and vegetables, failure to exercise, and taking alcohol more than the limit. These are the 9 preventable risk factors, and these 9 preventable risk factors, out of them 5 are responsible for diabetes. If you control them, diabetes can also be prevented, and they are healthy diet, optimal body weight, optimal physical exercise, limiting alcohol to recommending amount, and not smoking. To prevent heart attack, we can remember the formula of 80. Keep your blood pressure, bad cholesterol, resting heart rate, fasting sugar, abdominal GERD all below 80. Do 80 minutes of walk. 80 minutes a week should be a brisk walk, and brisk walk means 80 steps in a minute. Eat less, not more than 80 grams of caloric food, whether 80 gram or 80 ml. It should be high fiber, low saturated fat, zero trans fat, low refined carbohydrate, low salt, and high in fruits. Do 80 pranayams a day, devote 80 minutes to yourself, cheer yourself, do clapping 80 times a day, do pranayam 80 times a day. Do not drink if you take not more than 80 ml in a day and 80 grams in a week. Do not smoke, as it will end up into a disease which may require 80,000 rupees as treatment. And if you have a heart attack, don't worry, chew a tablet of aspirin 300 milligram and go to the nearest hospital within 3 hours. And if you have somebody dies of a heart attack, remember the formula: within 10 minutes, for the next 10 minutes, compress the chest with a speed of 10 into 10, 100 per minute, and 80% people will be able to revive them. Thank you.